I've got the angle. Here's the angle for the YouTube ad that I'm going to run. This is it for marketing ROI. If you're a small business owner and it's already leaving me. It's a certain emotion. If you're a small business owner and you're trying to market your business on social media and you understand that you have to learn how to do internet marketing, yet it's aloofing you because it's confusing, yet you don't want to pay thousands of dollars to some company or some agency, and you feel like all these people are calling you saying they can get you to page one of Google, and you feel like you're going to get ripped off, but you want to learn how to do it yourself. Click the link. Click learn more, because I own a small business and I market my own business on social media, and it's made it to page one of Google nonstop for 4 years now. My phone rings off the hook, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it through Facebook, through YouTube, through learning how to do SEO, learning how to do all this stuff yourself. You can do this stuff yourself, or have someone on your team, or hire somebody extremely cheap to do it, like a virtual assistant.